कुछ हस्ती को पेश करने जा रहे हैं। शी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट endearing stars of TV and she is one person who perfects the art of acting every time she comes in front of the screen. Please welcome Kritika Desai. Kritika, ये tattoo क्या है?
Tattoo है? You don't know what a tattoo is?
But क्यों? आप कोई मोबाइल गैंग ज्वाइन कर रही हैं?
I just might after I finish with your show.
अच्छा, और
Hi.
और कहाँ है टैटू?
Now wouldn't you just love to find out?
अच्छा, कृतिका, बहुत शुक्रिया आप हमारे शो पर आई, अपना कीमती समय हमारे लिए जो निकाला आपने।
You're welcome.
कृतिका, आपने MA साइकोलॉजी में MA किया है।
I didn't appear for my finals, so I didn't actually complete.
And you didn't go to America either to do your PhD.
No.
क्योंकि आपने एक्टिंग शुरू कर दी, आपको बुनियाद सीरियल में।
जी।
MA in psychology आपने छोड़ी, you didn't go to America because of a serial?
No, the thing was कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत थिएटर कर रही थी while I was studying and I was going to complete my MA और MA के बाद मैं PhD करने जाने वाली थी US, पर मैंने एक दो सीरियल्स की, करमचंद एक कहानी, एंड आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग एक्टिंग एंड देन बुनियाद हैपन, तो आई थॉट कि चलो आई टेक अ ड्रॉप दिस ईयर और ये बुनियाद ख़त्म करके अगले साल मैं चली जाऊंगी। फिर एक साल और निकल गया एंड आई थॉट अगले साल चली जाऊंगी। फिर
पासपोर्ट एक्सपायर हो गया।
वेरी वेल सेड।
आपको आपकी पहली सीरियल कौन सी थी?
वेरी फर्स्ट सीरियल वाज एयर होस्टेस।
एयर होस्टेस। क्या एयर होस्टेस ने did it give you that much required impetus?
Not really. Air hostess was just the beginning, or the serial did okay, and it was just 13 episodes. But then when I did Bunyad, then it was totally a different thing because Bunyad was really a super hit serial and it went on for so long. So that is really what not gave my career boost, but that's really what started my career.
उससे पहले कृतिका क्या करती थी? थिएटर एंड MA वो सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन आप क्या करती थी? What were you up to in life? What were your ambition?
मैं MA कर रही थी.
But what were you going to do after MA?
I wanted to do clinical psychology. I wanted to become a psychologist, and I was doing a little bit of theatre, and I think that is enough.
थिएटर कहाँ कर रही थी?
I was doing Gujarati theatre.
Okay. ये बुनियाद जो सीरियल आपको मिली, ये कैसे मिली?
मैंने एक सीरियल की थी, एक कहानी, दैट वाज एपिसोडिक, डिफरेंट स्टोरीज। तो उसमें मैंने एक स्टोरी की थी, रमेश जी ने वो एपिसोड देखा एंड ही लाइक्ड मी, सो ही कॉल्ड मी अप एंड ऑफर्ड मी बुनियाद।
जब आपने बुनियाद लिया, क्या आपके मन में कभी भी ये कोई एक शक था कि यार इतना बड़ा स्टार कास्ट, मैं गुम हो जाऊंगी?
No. I don't have such problems.
नहीं?
No.
You can hold your own. Boom.
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
At least I feel I can.
एक बात बताइए, चंद्रकांता सीरियल में आपने 4 रोल किए।
हाँ।
4 रोल कैसे, क्यों?
It started off के 2 ट्विन सिस्टर्स हैं और उसमें से एक मर जाती है, फिर एक नेगेटिव रोल था, एक इवल औरत है जो वो उसके जैसी लगती है, तो then she comes in and then it's rather confusing but very interesting.
It's a nice way to answer. Oh.
No, excuse me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I asked this sweet lady her date of birth, June 22, Gemini, and Gemini have this capacity of taking on multiple personalities, just as we Indians can take multiple dishes. Number one, multiple personalities, and secondly, I asked this sweetheart that she must improve the powers of the mind, and then I did not know that she was doing her MA. So this lady is a combination of beauty and brains.
Oh, now, I love this man. I love him. Yes, go on, please.
And the best is yet to be for this sweetheart and for this Honeybell. Again, I repeat.
Why isn't my chair over there?
because I am the lucky one.
I'm the good-looking one at that. Okay.
She's all yours.
No, please, no.
My God.
कृतिका, आपके एक 6 साल की बच्ची है?
जी।
हाँ, आप कितना समय बिता सकती हैं उसके साथ? I mean, in a day, how much time do you get to spend?
No,
इतना
now
busy
I
होने के
do. That is why
बावजूद।
पिछले 3 साल से मैं उतना काम नहीं कर रही हूँ because I want to give her more time as she's
अच्छा।
growing up. But now again she's 6 and she has full day school and that kind of thing. So now again I've started taking up more work and I manage. I don't overload myself with work.
आपने जब भी कोई रोल किया है, जब भी कुछ कोई किरदार अदा किया है, you've always left an impression in the viewer's mind. क्या कोई ऐसा रोल आपने नहीं किया है जो आप you're dying to do?
Oh, for an actor I think every second role is what he's dying to do. I mean anything good you see and you feel like I could have done that. I would have been better at this. It's bound to be there.
But is there any one particular role which you really see that whoa?
No, nothing like that. But as I told you, it's when you're watching a film or you're watching a serial and you see a good role and you're always like, why couldn't I have been doing this? It's always going to be there.
आप सबसे ज्यादा किस से डरती हैं? किस चीज से या किस आदमी से या किस वहम से या किस डर आपको किसका है?
This is a very
Scorpio question because he's a Scorpio. It's a Scorpio question.
yeah. I don't think really I'm scared of anything, but maybe yeah, I'm scared of him.
कौन है भाई?
The guy who stays right upstairs, God. Yeah.
ओके, अच्छा।
Obviously, you don't look very scared of him, I must say.
Who do you admire most? I mean, आपके इतने करोड़ों फैंस हैं, लेकिन आप किसकी फैन हैं?
Well, I don't admire a particular person, but I do admire a lot of qualities in a lot of different people.
आपने एक अपने उम्र से कई ज्यादा उम्र के आदमी से शादी की। आपको
Yes.
कभी डर नहीं लगा कि उम्र आप दोनों के बीच आएगा?
No, I never really.
आप
I mean,
लोग-
I did think about it, but I didn't think that that would be a problem at all.
और उन्होंने कभी आपको ये नहीं कहा कि you're a bit too young?
No, I don't think he said that.
No?
But and everything's worked out perfectly. So I
Perfectly.
guess I was right.
लेकिन क्या ऐसी शादियों में is it that the understanding, the bonding is so strong, or is it because that कि लोग कहते हैं कि यार he is older than me or she is older than me, we have to give that space. हमें वो we have to make this work because we understand that you're older, you know. So
No, I don't think there is any such at least not on
There's
in
no
our
compromise,
marriage.
there's no
There's no
compromise.
compromise. There's no conscious effort. Sometimes I guess you're lucky. The bonding, as you said, is so strong that the other things don't really matter.
and what is your greatest weakness?
I lie a lot.
Zabardast. And believe me, it is the privilege of a woman to lie up to high heavens. Otherwise, why be a woman?
Even I like women who lie.
Why be a woman?
Did you hear what he said? Even he likes
I
women.
know.
Lying.
That is why I turned the deaf ear purposely, being a little badmash. I know that.
Mr. Daruwala,
हाँ बेटा.
इनकी फ्यूचर क्या है?
You see, she has seriously, she has superb headlines and.
Can I hold one of
outlines.
them?
After some time,
Okay.
maybe in the next birth. But anyway, but she has superb lines of head, straight. That means she is not.
सही
only-
line मारती है।
She is not only that is a part, but
Let him talk.
she is not only intelligent but positively brilliant. I am saying it as I am holding her head, so I should know.
So that she can't hit you.
Positively, and I am sure now in the next 3 years she will cultivate the qualities of her mind, and being a Gemini, she will never look old. Even at 90, she will look 40.
But that is true. That is
Gemini.
true.
Don't say.
Kritika, आपने नहीं Kritika
Don't say it.
सही में. I mean, from the time I've been seeing you, I was very young.
My
Till
God!
today,
How
you
good.
haven't changed.
Thank you so much.
I will give
I'll
a
get
safari
you.
for him.
When I'm hosting a show, Mohan, I'll make sure I call you.
And Mr. Daruwala, what about that lovely young girl?
This lovely, the giveaway sign about the Capricorn are the high and beautiful cheekbones, fragile, exceptionally beautiful cheekbones, and the knuckles. Show the knuckles always. See, very clear knuckles. These two are the giveaway sign of the Capricorn, and we have said Capricorn is intelligence applied in a practical way, not theory. Design means design. What does design means? Form, shape, color, drawing, and certain lines. Design means lines. So it is a practical form. So that's where the intelligence of the Capricorn lies about the future, the next 2 years. A vertical takeoff or off with my head if I go wrong.
अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।